case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that centered on education and rights for the disabled, a student with a learning disability and Tourette's syndrome waged a battle against the University of New England, UNE. The student who had applied to UNE as a transfer was denied regular admission after failing to meet the university's required grade point average, GPA. Instead, he was admitted into a special program called FYO that allowed for fewer classes per semester and provided additional support for his disabilities. The heart of the disagreement revolved around the central question: was the student, with a GPA of 1.375 after his second semester, being discriminated against by the university on the basis of his disability? The plaintiff leaned on the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, asserting that UNE had violated his rights under Section 504 of the Act by denying him regular admission, despite meeting the standard requirements for transfer students. Contrarily, UNE argued that they had not discriminated against the student. The university posited that the plaintiff was simply not academically qualified for a regular program, citing the student's failure to meet the program's GPA requirements as evidence. Further, UNE indicated they had taken steps to accommodate the student's needs through the FYO program. Considering these arguments, the court ultimately decided in UNE's favor. It found no evidence of discrimination on behalf of the university or any violations of the Rehabilitation Act. The court went on to clarify that the plaintiff did not meet the definition of an otherwise qualified individual, as outlined in Section 504 of the Act. With that ruling, the court dismissed the need for a trial, deciding that UNE was the victor in the legal dispute. All allegations that the defendant had outlaid in his complaint were ultimately dismissed, marking a decisive win for the university. The case ended with the reaffirmation of an institution's right to uphold its academic standards, irrespective of a student's disability status.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.